fast-paced world, finding simple yet effective ways to manage stress is essential. Surprisingly, one therapeutic activity that's gaining attention is tearing paper. At first glance, this might seem mundane, but it offers a range of benefits for relaxation and mindfulness. Let's explore how this simple activity can promote mindfulness, creativity, and calmness in your daily life. Part 1. The science behind stress relief. Stress triggers a powerful biological response in our bodies. Hormones like cortisol and adrenaline flood our systems, preparing us for fight or flight. While this response is helpful in short bursts, prolonged stress can lead to anxiety, fatigue, and even health problems. Engaging in repetitive tactile tasks like tearing paper helps counteract this stress response. Research has demonstrated that these activities create a sense of rhythm and predictability, which can soothe the brain and reduce feelings of chaos. As your hands tear through the paper, your focus shifts to the task, providing a mental break from stressors. Remember to focus on the texture and sound of the tearing motion. This sensory experience can deepen your sense of relaxation and calm. Part 2. Tearing paper as a mindfulness practice. Mindfulness is all about being present in the moment. By observing our thoughts and feelings without judgment, we can cultivate emotional balance and mental clarity. Tearing paper is a unique and accessible way to integrate mindfulness into your routine. As you engage in this activity, focus on the sensations. The rough or smooth texture of the paper, the crisp sound as it tears, and the movement of your hands. These sensory details anchor you in the present moment, helping you let go of racing thoughts and distractions. Over time, this practice can build resilience to stress and improve your ability to stay calm under pressure. Part 3. Creative uses for tearing paper. Tearing paper isn't just a stress relief technique, it can also spark creativity. Many artists incorporate torn paper into their projects to create visually interesting collages or scrapbooks. This activity allows you to express emotions and ideas in a tangible, meaningful way. For journaling enthusiasts, torn paper can add texture and personality to pages. Use the torn edges to symbolize breaking free from stress or to visually represent your thoughts and emotions. This creative outlet not only enhances your mindfulness practice, but also helps you explore and process your feelings in new ways. Part 4. Practical tips for tearing paper. To get the most out of tearing paper as a mindfulness or stress relief tool, choose materials that inspire you. Magazines, newspapers, or colorful scrap paper can make the activity visually engaging while providing a variety of textures. Set up a calming environment. Find a quiet space, dim the lights, or play soft music to create a serene atmosphere. Consider pairing this practice with deep breathing or light stretching for a full relaxation session. Consistency is key. Dedicate just a few minutes each day to tearing paper. Research from the Journal of Psychiatric Research shows that structured mindfulness practices, even as brief as 5 minutes daily, lead to significant reductions of cortisol. Over time, these small moments of calm can add up, improving your mental well-being and helping you manage stress more effectively. In today's video, we explored the surprising therapeutic power of tearing paper. This simple activity can serve as both a stress relief tool and a mindfulness practice, grounding you in the present moment while providing emotional release. It's easy, creative, and accessible to everyone. Whether you use it to relax after a long day or as a creative outlet, tearing paper offers a unique way to care for your mental health. Remember, it's the small, intentional acts of self-care that make the biggest difference over time. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with friends and family who might benefit from these insights. Together, let's build a community that supports stress relief and mindfulness, one simple habit at a time. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.